Hey guys, it's Elizabeth. Welcome to Tasty Treat Friday. Today I'm going to share with you how to make the best tasting bruschetta you've ever had and how to continue to stay on track with your meal plan so you don't fall off the rails. I'll share with you guys all my tips. Alright guys, for this recipe I'm going to share with you what I'm eating. So I am not going to use this whole loaf of bread. In fact, I'm going to have 2 slices of bruschetta. And I measure out my food with containers. Granted, I'm not going to actually shove my bread in this, but this is going to be 2 pieces of this. And that's how I can kind of try to gauge it. This is my yellow container. This is what I provide for my girls on our meal plans. And it just helps you track how much food you're eating so you don't go off the rails and have half a loaf of bread. I can still have bread, but I'm just not gonna have a ton of it. If I had more tomatoes, I would fill this up a little bit more, but I used some in my guacamole recipe yesterday. So this is Roma tomatoes. You are going to need 2 plum Roma tomatoes for your recipe. So I've got 1.5, so it would have filled up. You're going to use 1 teaspoon of garlic. You can mince it up yourself. You can buy it already done. This is done for me already. So I'm going to do a teaspoon of that or a half of this orange container. I'm also going to do 1 of these of olive oil and 1 of balsamic. So that's how I'm going to figure this out. It's just going to be equal parts of it. I also have a blue container of cheese. This is 1/8 of a cup. So if you have Parmesan cheese, you can also use your favorite cheese. And then I'm going to just sprinkle in some basil, some salt and pepper to taste, and it's going to be delicious. So the very first thing we're going to do is put all these ingredients in a bowl, and we're going to let it marinate for 15 minutes. That is the key. All right, next I have my bread. I'm going to put this in the oven on broil until it's nice and crispy. All right, here's my toasty, crispy bread. And then my tomato mixture that has been marinating. And I probably will not be using all this juice down here. I'll try to drain out most of it because I don't want the bread to get super soggy. And then I'm just going to top it and try not to make a disaster and pretend like I am a home chef. If you try this recipe, let me know. If you want some support on your nutrition and health, and you need somebody to help guide you and maybe be a little kick in the pants too, I can be that for you. I would love to walk this journey and get you started with those same containers I was talking about. Just click the link in the bio, in the description. You can check it out. All right, guys, I'm going to enjoy this. Now, if you had feta cheese, could totally top it with that too. That would be super yummy. Doesn't this look delicious? So good. You can still have carbs and be healthy. You just don't want a ton. Right? Awesome. All right, I'm getting this mixture going. It's gonna be so delicious. All right, guys, if you like these videos, give it a thumbs up. Subscribe if you're not subscribed to see more videos like this one, and I will see you in the next one. Bye, guys.